Are you experiencing issues with your iPhone not connecting to the internet using cellular data? This problem can be frustrating, especially when you need to access the internet on the go. It may arise due to incorrect settings, network issues, or software glitches. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you resolve the issue and get back online. Let's get started. Solution 1. Do a quick restart for your mobile data. Toggle airplane mode to restart your connection. Open settings on your iPhone. Toggle airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds and toggle it back off. This will restart your mobile data quickly. After this, check if cellular data is working. Solution 2. Turn network selection off and on. Resetting your network selection can refresh your connection. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on cellular. Tap on network selection and toggle it off. Select your carrier, wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Go back and tap Mobile Data Network, tap Reset Setting, will help you to solve mobile data issues. Also, you need to go back, scroll down, and find out the apps that you are unable to use mobile data. Make sure to turn on the apps from here. If this is already turned on, then turn it off and turn it back on. Solution 3. Enable 4G or 5G on iPhone. If your iPhone supports 5G, make sure it's enabled. Open settings on your iPhone, tap on cellular, tap on cellular data options, select voice and data, and choose 4G or 5G auto. Solution 4. Update carrier settings. Updating your carrier settings can improve connectivity. Open settings on your iPhone, tap on General, tap on About. If an update is available, you will see a prompt. Follow the instructions to update. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can help fix misconfigurations. Open settings on your iPhone, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone not connecting to the internet via cellular data. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.